Uh, Windows 7 Starter. Simply just an unforgettable operating system where you had many fun games included for free. Well, today we are exactly going to install other operating systems. That's right, but we are not going to install them from Microsoft. We are just going to install other unknown operating systems that you have never heard of. So to start, I'm going to start off by powering up my Toshiba laptop. Okay, once it's off, I'm just going to plug in my USB. Then I'm going to power it on and press F12. It's already doing the boot up thing. So I want to install it from my USB. So I want to go to my Linux distributions. Then I have Slacks and OpenSUSE. So I'm going to try out Slacks. This is saying that it might take several seconds. So yeah, we're just going to wait here. Just making sure everything's alright. This almost looks similar to the Ubuntu download because it also says all this basically for anything. Oh, you guys notice this? It's pretty cool. It's got it. So it's saying alright. I mean, everything seems alright. The thing is, I'm not actually thinking of keeping it if there's a way of just running it off the USB drive. Oh look, we can get this. It's cool. Guys, make sure you learn how to do that because that is something ultimately awesome. So due to the 1 gigabyte of RAM that this laptop has, because it's a Windows 7 starter with the limitations of 2 gigabytes of RAM. So we unfortunately only got 1 gigabyte of RAM. So here we are greeted with this. I don't actually think we have to install anything. As for the user interface, it's actually pretty cool. We even get our Chrome web browser, which is a big step forward for Linux. So we're going to see if this opens up the menu key. Unfortunately, it doesn't. So we have calculator and web browser. We're actually going to test out the web browser and see if it's actually Chrome. Does it have Wi-Fi though? No, but we see it's loading. So this is a pretty similar setup to Ubuntu. Okay, so we see the user interface isn't really working. Don't blame them. So we don't actually get that many apps as they said. We just get text editor and all that, file manager, next manager, video player. So we're actually going to go ahead. Oh look, I'm in the terminal box already. So Emacs. Okay, so that you saw is actually Chrome. I can't believe it. So yeah, that was a pretty big step forward. Now we're going to go ahead and do another distribution. And this time we are going to do OpenSUSE. So yes guys, as you can tell, I'm a very big fan of Yummy because it's so easy. So then again, since it's Linux, we again get this message loading. This may take several seconds. So I mean, as well just put it on pause because you already saw what's going to happen pretty much in the previous screen. So if you don't know how this laptop looked the way you want to, just go to the link down below and I'll have the link for the video. Though it should be the very first video. So yeah, I'm just going to put it in pause because it says loading. This may take several seconds. It's not a big installation, so it'll just be like the other one. Okay guys, right as soon as I put pause, this happened. So that just means that so it's loading all our basic drivers. So yes guys, I got this out just to show you something. So have you noticed that it says join in the journey for more subs? And look at that, what a coincidence. It was supposed to be 10 subscribers. So as you notice, I took that off, just for fun. And here are basically all the videos that I have done. You might want to check them out because, they're just fun. So all our basic drivers are alright. So we're not actually going to install it, we're just going to see how it works. So activating USB devices, like this. So here we see that we have dual tech, Ethernet controller and all that. So if they are installing whenever I reinstall Windows 7, I will have to install every single driver that I previously mentioned how to do so. So I'm actually greeted with this where it tells me that I can't install it due to the RAM necessities. So I'm just going to have to power it off and go back to my beloved Windows 7, I guess. And why? Just because I'm not a big fan of Linux, as you might know, because I switched over to Windows, because originally this laptop was Windows 7. Okay guys, so the laptop still has Windows 7. It turns out I didn't actually install them. We were running it off this USB. So because of this USB, we had internet and all that. So it's pretty cool how technology has advanced. How this thing here that you see has the power to actually send commands to this computer. And that is just incredible. Because with this thing, you have Wi-Fi and all that, so... Okay, guys, so... I have just been greeted with this. So, apparently, whenever I... Whenever I installed all that, Basically, I deactivated Windows, and now I need to have the product key, which I kind of lost, because it was originally in the bottom of the laptop, but I took off the sticker, so I needed to buy another copy, which I also threw away. I don't know why. So now I need to figure out how to activate the Windows. Otherwise, this will appear. Sister has the normal startup. It's just some stuff such as like the Windows 7 logo that you saw here every single day, and that has been removed now. As you see here, I think that by rebooting it, it'll be alright. Because it still saves my password and all that. So yeah, so I'm just going to type in my password. So I have Windows, but I don't have Windows. So I'm just going to need to load up background, and that should be it. Thank you guys for watching.